everybody. So how you all doing? Today we have a very simple dessert which is a baked yogurt. This is very easy to make and is a healthier option for kids as well. So this has just three ingredients. You need curd, fresh cream and condensed milk. That is it. Make sure that the curd you use is thick. So in a bowl you need to take 1 cup curd. Then you need to add 1 cup of fresh cream and then 1 cup of condensed milk. So this depends on the sweetness you need. You can have it from 3 by 4 to 1 cup. Using 1 cup you will get a medium sweet dish. Okay, now you need to whisk all the ingredients together and make it smooth. You can even use an electric beater if you want. I have also added 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence for a taste. And you have to whisk everything together and transfer the condensed to ramekins. And you need to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius over a water bath. In one of my previous video I have shown you how to do that. For that you need hot water and you need to fill a dish with water. It should cover at least 3/4 of the height of your ramekins, and you need to place this dish in a preheated oven and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. While it gets baked, you can make a strawberry sauce. Nothing but you need to take some strawberries, add some sugar and cook it over low heat until you get a thick sauce. You don't need to make a sauce, you can use the strawberries as such. It will not take much time for you to bake it, so make sure that it's set on the sides and it's a bit wiggly at the center. So you can take it out, and once it cools down you can garnish it with strawberry sauce. You can also refrigerate it for 2 hours and then while serving you can garnish with strawberry sauce or fresh strawberries. So the delicious and simple baked yogurt is ready. Please try it out. Please leave your comments. Also please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.